Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to find your DNS server on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. We will stick to two procedures. One is through Windows settings and the other one is through command prompt. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Wi-Fi. Click on your Wi-Fi network. After that, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find this option for IPv4 DNS servers, and the DNS server address will be mentioned here. The next option is through the command prompt window. You do not need the elevated command prompt window. So press the Windows key and the R button together and simply press CMD and hit enter. This will open the general command prompt window. In this window, type the command ipconfig and hit enter. The default gateway will be mentioned in the list here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.